For more than a century, Cadillac has defined the meaning of American luxury. Today, that legacy is being reimagined for an electrified future. Introducing the 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ, a luxury three-row SUV that delivers on the brand's promise of performance, craftsmanship, and technology. With the VISTIQ, Cadillac is poised to be one of the only brands to offer an EV entry in every luxury SUV segment. The VISTIQ is engineered to perform. A standard dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers 615 horsepower and a staggering 650 pound-feet of near-instant torque. That power translates to exhilaration, a blistering 0 to 60 time of just 3.7 seconds with Velocity Max, all while offering an estimated 300 miles of range. This isn't just raw power, however. The ride is defined by isolated precision, standard chassis damping control, available air ride adaptive suspension, and available active rear steer combined to provide a comfortable, quiet ride, handling like a much smaller, more agile vehicle. Inside, the VISTIQ continues the Cadillac EV identity, offering a spacious interior and the latest in craftsmanship. From the sweeping, elegant design to the available carbon fiber and lumen open-pore wood decors, every detail is considered. Even the third row offers amenities generally reserved for the front, including padded armrests and smartphone storage. The experience is immersed in sound. Standard is the custom-tuned 23-speaker AKG studio audio system with Dolby Atmos, creating an incredible, three-dimensional listening experience. Outside, the design is bold, yet refined, featuring the signature D-pillar sail panel that honors our sporty heritage, and the black crystal shield unique to Cadillac's electric portfolio. The future of technology is seamlessly integrated. The VISTIQ comes standard with Super Cruise, the industry's first true hands-free driver assistance technology, and it looks toward the future of energy with vehicle-to-home bidirectional charging capabilities, allowing you to transfer power back to your home during an outage. Bold design, exhilarating performance, uncompromised luxury. The 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ will be sold globally, with production starting in early 2025. Your journey into the electric future starts now.